Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And guys, today in this video, what we are going to learn is very important, and it is like what are the some cloud computing advantages. Okay, and I will discuss with couple of questions also, knowledge check whether we are comfortable with all the questions to answer in the examination or not. Okay, so let's see uh, whether I have taken questions or not. I'm not sure, so I have not taken those questions. uh, I will discuss about all those things later on in my next video. Okay, so we'll see first of all what are the cloud computing advantages. Okay, so guys, you can see here there are a couple of advantages. We have very good advantages in cloud computing. The very first one you can see let me take highlighter. High availability, I have already spoken about it in couple of videos. Scalability and elasticity and agility and geo-distribution, disaster recovery. So these are very important, I should say very useful advantages we have. So we'll learn about all those things one by one. Okay, so you can see let's talk about high availability. So I'm not sure I have taken how many here. Okay, I have taken all the points. Okay, so let's see, the first one is high availability. So guys, depending on the service level agreement that you choose, so it is up to you what kind of service level agreement you are using. Okay, your cloud based app can provide a continuous user experience with no apparent downtime even when things go wrong. So this is what I spoke about in my separate video, what is high availability. Okay, even if your one region is down, from other region resources will be available, and that goes to agreement, service level agreement. They will provide you uptime, running time, and there will not be impact on your performance of applications. Okay, uh, and it is also depends on what kind of subscription you have taken, infrastructure as a service or PaaS as a service or software as a service. So scalability is like apps in the cloud can scale vertically and horizontally. And in my previous video only I spoke about one question. I mean, where there we had to answer adding and removing of the resource, which scaling is all about. So it was horizontal, and you can read here also, auto scaling is there. If demand is increasing, automatically resource can be increase and decrease, and also they can increase and decrease their capabilities. So that goes to scalability. Okay, and this is also the second advantage, and it is possible automatically and manually as well. So scale vertically to increase compute capacity. Okay, vertical scaling is all about increasing the capacity of the compute or computer by adding RAM or CPU to a virtual machine. And other one is scaling horizontally. It increases the computer capacity by adding instances of resources, such as adding VM to the configuration. Okay, and the next one, let's see, elasticity. So guys, what it is, any idea? No, let me tell you. You can configure cloud based apps to take advantage of auto scaling, so your apps always have the resources they need. That is all about elasticity. Okay, and the next one is agility. So deploy and configure cloud based resources quickly as your app requirement changes or change. Okay, and the next one is geo-distribution. You can deploy apps and data to regional data centers around the globe, thereby ensuring that your customers always have the best performance in their region. So it reduces high latency, it reduces slowness with the help of geo distributions. For example, this is one country. Okay, in one country you have one, two, 3 and 4 reason. I'm just telling you example. If you deploy any resource here and user is sitting here, yes, he will have less latency and less slowness. But if the user is accessing directly from here, so it may he or she may face latency and slowness. So in that condition, what you can do, you can synchronize the same data and application to this region also. So in this condition, what will happen, even if this region is down, still your data will be accessible. That is the concept of geo distribution. Okay, and in this condition, the user which is here will not face any problem. But yes, as soon as your this infra comes up, this user will not face any problem. Okay, I mean slowness and latency kind of thing. But if it is down, in that condition there is a little chance of slowness and latency, but Microsoft ensures that in that condition also user will not face any slowness and latency. Okay, because we don't know where and all they have data centers. For example, you have chosen this 1 and 4, but what if they can transfer from 4 to 3 to then from here accessing will be easy for for these users and for this user also. So it depends on the situation, but always geo redundancy or geo distribution is helpful for the better performance of the application or delivery of the IT services. And disaster recovery, let's see, this is also one of the good advantage, like by taking advantage of cloud-based backup services, okay, data applications and geo distributions, you can deploy your apps with the confidence that comes from knowing that your data is safe in the event of disaster. So even if there is any natural disaster happens, still your data will be accessible, because it is going to multiple locations. For example, if my India is down, okay, India data center is down, but my data is going to USA also, and that is only because of synchronization or application or backup. Okay, so in that condition, even India is down, I will still be able to access my data from US and other region. So that comes as a disaster recovery, and with the help of backup and all, immediately you can recover your failure things, kind of things, okay, data failure or kind of thing if anything has happened, or you can replicate from the location where it is available 100% okay data. Okay, so these are the advantages of cloud computings. And guys, here I am done with this video. I just wanted to discuss with you core advantages of cloud computing, and in next video I'll talking about some other part of this, uh, let me see what is topic I have taken. We'll see about what are the advantages of infrastructure as a service. Okay, so that is going to be covered in next video. Till then, bye bye, and please do subscribe, like, share and comment.